What will you do if you have a group of audio, or just a part of your recorded file, has different amplitude with others? Don't worry, you can normalize every audio in your project for consistent volume. Select the entire track, or specify a range that you want to normalize. After that, click the Audio Normalization button to open the following dialog. Here, you are free to adjust the settings. Then, if you want to discard the change, click Restore Defaults. If not, click OK to normalize the selected parts. Now, let's see the result.
Autumn is the hardest season. The leaves are all falling. And they're falling they're falling in love with the ground. And all at once, summer collapsed into fall.
That's it.